Hey there, it's Jenny of Ads Uncorked, and I am so excited to announce that Flodesk now allows us to connect our Facebook pixel over to our Flodesk forms. And the reason this is revolutionary and that you are going to be so jazzed about it is that any of these ads that you are running for email list growth, all of that information can get passed between Flodesk and Meta. Whereas before we had to do a little bit of a workaround to get our tracking to work out properly, now all of that information can go seamlessly between the two platforms, which at the end of the day means that you should see some lower cost per email sign up and overall more effective Facebook ads if you are running any traffic over to your forms on Flodesk. So I'm going to show you today in this tutorial how to get that pixel installed. It is extremely easy. I do love that they've made this just very, very seamless and easy to do. So let's go ahead and dive in. I've got this full page form here that I'm going to be running my Facebook ads to. We've got our image, our text. And before I had to do a redirect to a thank you page, and I would do any tracking that I needed to over on the thank you page. But now the form itself, this button, will track. And I'm very, very excited to set this up. So under settings, of course, you will turn on any of your settings that you need to here, choose your segment, and then here we have a section for the Meta Pixel ID. Now, if you don't have your pixel installed on your website, I'd ask for you to pause this, go get your pixel installed. I've got a free tutorial on how to do so. And it's going to be as easy as copy and pasting that pixel ID. So let me jump on over to my website. I would strongly recommend that you install the Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a free Google Chrome extension. And I might need to refresh my screen. Sometimes it's buggy, so don't worry, it's probably not you. There it is. Okay, so I will copy that, bring it on over here. We will copy and paste. It's literally that easy. Click save, you're done. Now what I'm going to do is I will test it just so that you can see, is this actually tracking? What is it tracking? Because that's the next important part if you are interested in running kind of ads to this form in the future. All right, so here is my form. Okay, perfect. And you can see this is my pixel helper. Before, this would have shown that there was no pixel on it because we couldn't pixel the form before. Now, however, you can see it. It's firing as a page view, which is great. And now what I will do is I will just sign up just to see that this is working. And we will click yes, show me how. And now on this drop down, take a look. It shows me that this measured as a lead, which is phenomenal. And if you have my email list growth plus Facebook ads course, this is exactly what you have been needing. Now what you can do is optimize your campaign for leads to really help Facebook know exactly what's going on with your pixel and your form. All right, thanks.